The strong winds hit your windows and the leaves from the trees, they remind you of me. The tempest dropping cold is like how you treated me. The sirens coming, getting loud, you can't run from me. The damage for what you had done before is coming back like a tornado. The rain is heavy, gonna pour. Look what you have done.
Thank you for trying this demo. Thank you for trying this demo.
You can run, but you can't hide. You can cover up now, wearing your disguise. Can't head for shelter, pray for your